this called Hapania. Hapania village in Bardhaman district is near Katwa. We are near Katwa, and Guru Maharaj himself came and located his place shown, and all his god brothers came here, and they want home. There must be a temple. When it was no temple, so the temple Srila Bhakti Sundar Govinda Maharaj made it very nicely, and every Srila Bhakti Puri Goswami Maharaj, he came and installed the deity in 1985. I was there, and Guru Maharaj is very happy that we are coming his birthplace. I have to come. এই চালাটা খুলে দেবেন, তাহলে ছবি তুলতে সুবিধা। So here is Radha Gopinath deity symbol, and it's a very sweet place. Hapania means sweet water. Hapania means sweet water. বাস ভালো তো, মহারাজ নাই না, স্বামী মহারাজ নাই। Okay. Okay, now good. Now we can take pictures. Maharaj Shroti Maharaj staying here. And Tarak Prabhu Achar. জয় রাধা গোপীনাথ। আর গরু আছে, গরু আছে, আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে। মহারাজ এখন আর আসেন না, থাকেন না বেশি। আচ্ছা বসুন, বাথরুম থেকে আসি। Anybody can go. Toilet is there in back side. এদিকে এদিকে, হ্যাঁ আমি দেখেছি। হ্যাঁ রেডি করেন, দোনা